The iPhone SE 4 is poised to revolutionize the smartphone landscape with its cutting-edge features and sleek design. Its modern look eliminates the traditional home button, adopting a larger 6.1-inch OLED display that aligns with the latest iPhone design trends. This shift enables a more immersive visual experience, improved screen-to-body ratio, and a contemporary aesthetic. The transition to Face ID brings enhanced security through 3D facial recognition technology, providing a convenient and swift unlocking experience. Face ID also seamlessly integrates with Apple Pay and other secure features. The inclusion of USB-C ensures faster charging speeds and data transfer rates, compatibility with the latest accessories and peripherals, and alignment with industry standards for seamless ecosystem integration. The iPhone SE 4's upgraded features position it as a compelling option for budget-conscious consumers seeking flagship-level performance, those seeking a compact yet powerful device, and enterprise users requiring advanced security and connectivity. Overall, the iPhone SE 4's modern design, advanced biometric security, and future-proof connectivity make it a potential game-changer in the smartphone market. With its impressive specifications and affordable pricing, Apple's latest offering is poised to captivate a wide audience. The iPhone SE 4 elevates the smartphone experience with its impressive camera, performance, and battery life upgrades. The 48-megapixel sensor significantly enhances image quality and low-light performance, allowing for stunning photos and videos. Additionally, the increased digital zoom range expands creative possibilities. The versatile action button adds flexibility to the user experience, allowing customization for various functions such as quick camera access, flashlight toggle, voice assistant activation, and personalized shortcuts. This feature streamlines interactions and enhances overall usability. Powering the device is the top-tier A18 chip, delivering seamless multitasking, enhanced gaming capabilities, and efficient performance for demanding tasks. Furthermore, the improved battery life and 5G support provide faster connectivity and extended usage. The generous starting storage of 128 GB caters to diverse user needs, offering ample space for photos, videos, and apps. With expandable storage options via iCloud and efficient file management, users can effortlessly organize their digital content. Overall, the iPhone SE 4's upgrades make it a compelling device for those seeking exceptional performance, versatility, and user satisfaction. The iPhone SE 4 prioritizes user safety with its advanced features, including car crash detection, emergency SOS, and satellite emergency messages. These innovations demonstrate Apple's commitment to protecting its users. However, potential challenges and considerations arise. The starting price of $450 positions the device competitively, but a possible increase to $499 may impact its affordability and appeal to budget-conscious consumers. Furthermore, the iPhone SE 4 faces stiff competition from the Pixel 7a, which boasts strong camera performance and competitive pricing. Apple must navigate this rivalry to maintain market share. Additionally, the OLED display, while offering superior image quality, raises concerns about its potential impact on battery life and durability. OLED's increased power consumption and susceptibility to degradation may affect the device's overall performance. Ultimately, the iPhone SE 4's safety features and considerations underscore Apple's focus on user well-being and market competitiveness. The iPhone SE 4 is poised to captivate a broad audience with its winning combination of premium features and affordable pricing. However, its ultimate success hinges on several factors, including final pricing, real-world performance, and Apple's ability to differentiate it from other mid-range offerings. To gain a deeper understanding of the iPhone SE 4's potential, it's essential to examine specific aspects, such as its camera capabilities, battery life, and storage options. Comparing the device to rival offerings, like the Pixel 7a or Samsung Galaxy A series, can also provide valuable insights. Furthermore, exploring how the iPhone SE 4 integrates with other Apple devices and services can reveal its true value. By considering these factors, we can comprehensively assess the iPhone SE 4's position in the market. Would you like to delve deeper into a specific aspect of the iPhone SE 4 or explore comparisons with other devices?